guys, we are on to HTML Basics 3 and HTML structure, table, divs, and spans. So let's get started here. So tables are mega sweet, it says. To get warmed up, make sure the heading has the font family Arial. So style equals font dash family Arial. Make sure we capitalize that. Add an image. So let's see. Let's go get an image. Ninjas were pretty good last time. I like this guy. It's kind of a big image. Yeah, this will work. So get your image URL, and then we'll put it below the H1. So we'll say image src equals, and then of course you have to end it. So, and then add a second image which is clickable and links to a site. Alright, so we're going to say ahref equals, and we'll just do Google. It doesn't have to link to anything relevant. And then we're actually going to just reuse the image just to save time. And then that it won't let us do that for whatever reason. It should work. Oh, src. There we go. Okay. So gotta make sure our code's right, and save and submit, and then we have our two images, one clickable, one not. So add an opening and closing set table tags to your body of this HTML document. Alright, so inside body we're going to put a table and then a closing table. Go to the result view. You'll notice that nothing was visible because we haven't done anything with the table yet. So, alright. So TR is table row. So we want to add 2 more rows below this as per the instructions. Alright. We still don't see anything, but we're building our table. So in the second row, add a table data td cell. So this is the first row, so I guess this is the second. And we want to add the td /td table data. The second row, add table data type 2 between it. Alright, so 2. And see, we have 1 column and 3 rows. Oh, and third, another cell with 3. Whoopsies. Alright, so table data 3 / table data. So there's our 1 column and 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. Not too complicated. So we want to add some more table data to the second table row. So there's 1 and 2. And eventually you may want to just start adding a little bit of. It helps me to keep track by, like, maybe with comments and whatnot. So you can see right here, we're adding some more table data. Right, and then do the same for the third tag with 1935. Alright, now we have a basic table. Pretty cool. Tables are really important. You can do a lot with them styling wise and everything. Alright, since everything we currently have, just have put everything we have in our table so far between a set of tBody and tBody tags. Alright. Alright, so let's try, I believe we do this outside the table border here. I could be wrong. Actually, I'm sorry. We do it inside table. So there's our tBody and slash tBody. So table heads, just like paragraphs, they're just like the head. And there's also a head for the table head. So, all right. So we have created the t head and t head element. Insert table inside the table heading element. Add a single row using trtr. So just like anything else, we're just kind of breaking up our table here into different components. Oh, add 2 th for table head. Alright, and with the famous monster and birth year. And you can see right here that it has now doing some stuff like making this bold and centering it. And now we have some table headers. Not too shabby. So next, they have added a, let's see, they've added a title row, but it only spans one column right now. So to make the column span 2 columns, we need a call span, and we need to set it to th. All right, so look, we'll just do this by how it looks. So we have famous monsters by year. We need this to span 2 columns. So call span, and we're going to set it equal to, always remember, use the parentheses, equal to 2. Oh, I'm sorry, I did the wrong one. Call span, and we're going to set it equal to 2. So there you go. You see how it's now spanning 2 of the columns. Hence the call span. Very, very intuitive. So alright, now we're back. Make the famous monster and birth year labels emphasized, i.e. make them italicized. Alright, so we want to notice how they changed the way things are done, but that's alright. So we're looking for famous monster. So here's famous monster, and so what we can do here is do em, and then we'll do a /em. That did not work. Maybe we have to do it. Maybe we have to do it right here. Yeah. All right. So you want to do it within the text area, not the table area. So. Alright, and then famous monster birth. Alright, and then now let's go to birth year. So here's birth year, and we're going to make that italicized as well. And then make famous monsters by birth year, the title red. So let's see here, th call span. I'm not quite sure how to merge these, so let's try this. Table row style equals color red, and now it's red. Not too bad. Alright, now we're doing a little bit of recap. We're going to be using divs and spans next, so just kind of take a look here if there's anything that you are unfamiliar with or need to check up on. Alright, so div stands for divide and conquer, I guess. Short for division. Allows you to divide your page into containers, that is, different pieces. It's going to be helpful with CSS. I don't really use divs that much, but I don't design pages too often. So we're going to create our own div and give it the background color yellow. Alright, so in this case, we're just going to say div style equals background dash color, and we're going to set that to yellow, and then we're going to say end the div. So that is what we're doing here, and it wants us to give the same width and height index as we did before, so we should have a yellow block. Cool. Go ahead and make your yellow div link to a favorite site. So in here we're going to do href equals Pornhub. No, I'm just kidding. We'll do Google.com. And of course we have to end that and make sure. So there we go. And now let's see here. Okay, apparently we do the href before the div. That makes sense. And then we call okay. So and then we do the href. It's all about how we work it here. So href equals google.com, and we need to delete this one, and bam. So now we're good to go. Can't click, can't click, can click. Alright, for now we'll continue to use the styling attributes change colors. Wrap the word red in the editor and span text. Alright, so span /span. Okay. And give the span tag style color equals red. Notice how only the word between span changes color. Okay, so I guess span is span allows us to control smaller parts, while div can divide your web page up individually. So they're kind of similar, but span is used a little bit more for something just smaller into things, I guess. So use span tags to style the word impact with the family font impact. Span. Use the rest text as is, don't include exclamation. Alright, so impact. So span style equals font dash family impact. And there's that. And then we want to close the span. So bam, we only changed 1 point of it. Not too bad. So we're going to go on to the next point. We're going to test how span works, and it looks like you can kind of see a little bit right here. What we'll be learning soon is CSS, cascading style sheets, and you can see here how certain things are getting altered a bit. So coming up next we will, let's see, we're going to be clickable photo page. And so, as always, we're going to be sharing our achievements, trying to get more people into it. And HTML is one of those things where a lot of people can use it. It's very entry level. So, next section, clickable photo page. We'll be working a little bit with style sheet .css. So I will see you guys next time.